Good morning. It is the Hometown Morning Show with Tori and Kyle. In studio guest Philip Soloman from Samuel Dixon. Good morning. How are you? I haven't seen you in a while.
Great,
Probably
yes.
last October.
Last October
when we talked about when we talked
yes.
about the rubber duckies. You are something. You've been coming here for a long time talking about the event, the rubber ducky event. But this is the first year you are involved in the KHTS Home and Garden Show.
Yes. Yes. And
Congratulations.
And we're happy to be there, to support our community. We've been fortunate that the community has supported us since we opened our doors in 1980. So, I can't imagine that we didn't do this before.
Neither
but
can we.
this year going forward,
Neither
you will
can
see
we,
us
man.
there.
What's up with that, huh? But
I have no excuse, none whatsoever.
But you're part of it now. So welcome to the family. It's a huge event. We expect every year about 20,000 people to come in through Central Park. It's a free event, free admission. And it goes both Saturday and Sunday. Most of the staff, you will notice it's pretty much a ghost town here. There's like 3 of us because most of the staff is over at Central Park setting up right now. It's huge. It's an absolutely huge event. What is going to happen as far as Samuel Dixon? What are you bringing to the party? Are you personally going? Your colleagues? What's happening?
Yeah, we have several of our staff members that represent the different services we offer at our agency. I'll be there Saturday and I'll be there towards the end of Sunday as well. But we're there to provide information of what we do for our community, the services we offer, how we could help those in need, and give away a lot of little ducky things.
I love the necklace. Now, you can, if you happen to be by a computer, we are streaming this interview live, and you can see Philip's very cool ducky necklace. And I must say, you wear it well. The services at Samuel Dixon, medical insurance is very tough to get if you don't get it through an employer. It's very tough. It's very expensive. Some premiums are extremely high depending on your present condition, your physical condition, if you're going in with maybe a problem. Samuel Dixon is there basically to the rescue. And how is that so? Why don't you tell our listeners how that is?
Well, we do take private insurances, although most of our patients, over half of them are on Medi-Cal. And then we have about 20 to 30% still who have insurance, but maybe they're underinsured.
Right.
And then even some that have no insurance because they may have lost employment. They used to have insurance before. But we have staff that help screen folks that are uninsured or underinsured to see what other programs they might qualify for. We can enroll them in Medi-Cal if they qualify for other programs in the county. And they will also provide affordable services if you don't have insurance and you're maybe of low income or have very little resources. We don't refuse services to anyone, and we'll provide you with medical care. We have our dental program that we've had for about the last 5 years, and then we have mental health counseling as well, which we've added, and we've since expanded in the last 3 to 4 years.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Mental health is a huge issue right now because there has been such a stigma, and I know one of the fights being fought is Oprah Winfrey is trying to take away that stigma of
Yes.
mental health and any kind of issues, so we can deal with it.
Yes.
So we're not afraid to deal with it.
Yes.
And now that you help out is amazing in the last couple of years. So we have underinsured, maybe those who aren't insured, Medi-Cal patients. You're there to help. You have, I believe, 3 offices?
3, yes. Val Verde, which is the first one that opened in 1980.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have one in Canyon Country, and that's been there for about, I think, 17 years now, maybe 18. And Newhall opened in 2009.
So we're looking at the flagship opened like 40 years ago, we're looking at.
Yes, almost 40 years.
You've been a huge member of the community for that long.
Yes.
That's wonderful, and you're just expanding.
Yes.
And it's wonderful that you're going to be part of the Home and Garden
we're
show.
happy to be there. I'm
And
excited. I know there's going to be tons of people there.
Tons. Absolutely tons. But it's one of those things where first and foremost, the weather's going to be amazing. It's not even going to be all that hot. We're looking at maybe low to mid 70s.
Perfect.
Right?
Perfect.
So, which is even going to draw bigger crowds because it's going to be a great day. It's at Central Park and there are food trucks and all kinds of stuff to see. So there will be a lot of people passing through those arches, coming through and past your booth as
Yes.
well. You ready? Are you ready?
We think so. Like I said, it's our first event, and I know it's going to be huge. So we hope we brought enough.
I'm sure you're going to do just great. Welcome to the family. It's so nice to see you. Other than the event coming up in October, we always talk about the big rubber ducky races and the fun
Yes.
festival, but now you're part of this, and we'll see you this weekend.
Absolutely.
Free
Look
admission,
forward to it.
Central Park. It is the KHTS Home and Garden Show. Be there.